Hi everybody, welcome back to the hardreset.info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom equalizer preset in your SOUNDCORE Liberty 5. Once you are here, once you see this view in the app, tap Sound Effects. Here tap Custom EQ and it will bring you to the login page. Once you are not logged in, tap Cancel. Now, as you can see, we can create our own custom equalizer preset. Here, now, if you tap plus, you can name the previous one. I mean, this, okay, here. If you want to rename your one that you have created before, tap here this gear icon that I clicked here, and tap this pen icon near this you have in use. Now, for example, hard reset, and now here done. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.